Distinction between expansionary monetary policy and expansionary fiscal policy. Well, if you look at fiscal policy, what exactly fiscal policy is doing? How is fiscal policy carried out? Either through increase in government expenditure or through reduction in taxes. These are the two ways in which fiscal policy is carried out. Well, in case if you look at it, the immediate effect of fiscal policy is on increasing the aggregate output. Expansionary fiscal policy is on increasing the aggregate output. This we have already seen in the earlier recording, in which we said that how increase in government expenditure or reduction in taxes could increase the aggregate expenditures, and hence it will increase the output. Now, because of increase in the output or income, transactions demand for money would also increase, and demand for money would increase at the given level of money supply. So it will push the interest rates up. It will push the interest rates up. And because of increase in interest rates, investments would fall. You have a negative relationship between interest rates and investment. So investments would fall. When investment is falling, it will lead to less growth in future. So what is happening for expansionary fiscal policy? Of course, because of increase in output, there is a short-term benefit. But because of reduction in investment and because of less growth in future, there is a long-term loss because of expansionary fiscal policy. There is a lot of because of in this. Anyway, then you have expansionary monetary policy. Well, if you look at this, what you will find is that the first effect is on increase in money supply. Good enough. Because of increase in money supply, there is reduction in interest rates. Because of reduction in interest rates, there is increase in investment. And because of negative relationship between interest rates and investment. And when investments have increased, output also will increase. Now, due to increase in money supply, there is reduction in interest rates. So it has affected economy positively in the short run. And because of increase in investment and aggregate output, there is a long-term benefit also in carrying out the expansionary monetary policy. The relationships between these two, that is, why increase in government expenditure or reduction in taxes, it will lead to increase in aggregate output. Why increase in aggregate output would lead to increase in interest rate. Why increase in interest rate would lead to fall in investment. This I've already discussed in the earlier recording. Kindly see to them. The agenda for this recording was to tell you that how there is a trade-off which you have to do in carrying out either fiscal policy or monetary policy. Fiscal policy gives you a short-term benefit, but in future you are trading it off for growth. Monetary policy gives you a short-term benefit as well as a long-term benefit.